Tuffenough solar outdoor lights. Did you know that proper outdoor lighting can greatly improve both safety and visibility at night? The Tuffenough solar outdoor lights use 210 bright LEDs, producing 2,500 lumens, enough to illuminate a driveway, backyard, or pool area like daylight. With 3 adjustable heads and a 270-degree motion sensor that detects movement up to 26 feet, you can see everything clearly without leaving dark spots. They're solar-powered, completely wireless, and IP65 waterproof, meaning they work in rain, snow, or harsh weather. A smart, energy-efficient way to light your outdoor spaces while keeping your home safe.
Smart Lock. I absolutely love our Level Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi Smart Lock system. First of all, it was easy to install. I had this thing installed and running in just a matter of minutes. Next, it's secure. It's done wirelessly or manually, or with the Apple Home keys that are included. We can use this for events, for allowing guests in our home, and for those nights where we accidentally forget to lock the door when we're already upstairs in bed.
WOLFBOX MF50 Air Duster. If you're tired of those weak canned air sprays that run out in seconds, you need to see this. This is the WOLFBOX MF50 Electric Air Duster, and it's seriously powerful. It spins up to 110,000 RPM, which means it can blast dust out of your keyboard, computer, car vents, or even tight corners around the house in seconds. It has 3 adjustable speed levels, so whether you're cleaning delicate electronics or heavy dust, you're in control. And the best part? It's rechargeable. No more buying disposable air cans. Just charge it with a Type-C cable in about 3.5 hours, and you can use it for up to 240 minutes on low speed.
Magic Pet Hair Removal Glove. If you have a dog or cat, you already know the struggle. Pet hair gets everywhere. Your clothes, your couch, your car seats, it never stops. This Magic Pet Hair Removal Glove makes cleaning ridiculously easy. Instead of wasting money on sticky rollers, this glove uses electrostatic technology to lift hair, lint, and dust in just a few swipes. Just move your hand left to right and watch the hair disappear. It's reusable and washable, so you can simply shake off the hair or rinse it underwater and use it again. No refills, no waste. The upgraded 5-finger design gives you better grip and more control, and it's larger than most gloves out there, so you cover more area in less time. It works on clothes, couches, carpets, beds, even car seats. If you're tired of pet hair taking over your home, this might be the easiest solution you'll ever try.
Baseus 4K Dual Monitor Hub. If your laptop only has 1 or 2 ports, this is about to change everything. This is the Baseus 9-in-1 USB-C dock, and it basically turns one USB-C port into a full workstation. You get dual HDMI outputs supporting up to 4K at 120 Hz on a single display. That means smoother visuals, sharper image, and way more screen space. You can mirror your screen or extend it and work on different projects at the same time. It also includes a 1000 megabits Ethernet port, so if your Wi-Fi is slow or unstable, just plug in a cable and enjoy fast, reliable internet instantly. Need power? It supports up to 85-watt power delivery, so your laptop keeps charging while everything is connected.
Wall broom and mop holder. If your garage or laundry room looks like this, it's time to fix it. This Amazon Basics wall tool organizer helps you clean up the mess in minutes. It comes with 5 strong spring-loaded slots that securely grip your brooms, mops, rakes, and shovels. The anti-slip rubber keeps everything in place so nothing falls down. You also get 6 extra hooks for smaller tools, cords, or cleaning supplies. And when you're not using them, the hooks fold up neatly. It's made from durable, weather-resistant material and can hold up to 35 pounds, so it works perfectly in the garage, garden, kitchen, or laundry room.
Zoolite Cast Iron Citrus Juicer. Congrats on your new purchase. This is how to use the Zoolite Kitchen Citrus Press. To assemble, align the notches and twist. Roll citrus on the table to make for an easier squeeze. For proper form, place one hand at the base and one hand on the handle. Place the cup under the press. Never leave the handle standing up. If you find that the press is a little hard to use at first, spray or pour food-grade oil into the bearings and shaft at the top. Then work it in and wipe away the excess. Then it will be easier to press. To clean, just twist to unlock and then rinse with soap and water. Each citrus press will come with a tool to tighten or loosen the bearings if needed. Gravity electric salt and pepper set? Still using manual salt and pepper grinders?
This is the Circle Joy Gravity Electric Grinder Set, and it works automatically. No buttons, no twisting. Just flip it and it starts grinding instantly. It uses gravity technology, so you can season your food with one hand while cooking. Perfect for busy kitchens, barbecue nights, parties, or even outdoor picnics. You can also adjust the coarseness. Whether you like fine salt or coarse pepper, just turn the knob and set it exactly how you want. Inside, it uses a high-quality ceramic grinding core to keep the original flavor of your spices fresh and strong. It even has a built-in LED light that turns on automatically, so you can see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, even in low light. Modern look, easy to use, no effort required. If you want to upgrade your kitchen setup, this is a simple but powerful upgrade. Perfect slice onion holder. Tired of messy onion slicing and watery eyes? The stainless steel onion holder keeps your onions steady with 10 sharp prongs for perfect, even slices in seconds. It's not just for onions. Use it on tomatoes, potatoes, avocados, eggs, even lemons. It also works as a meat tenderizer. Ergonomic handle, protective cover, rust-resistant stainless steel, and dishwasher safe. Faster prep, cleaner cuts, and safer slicing, all with one simple tool.
O-Wound Clip-On Strainer. Tired of messy pots when draining pasta or veggies? Meet the O-Wound Clip-On Silicone Strainer. Just clip it onto any pot or pan and drain liquids fast. No spills, no fuss. Made from safe, heat-resistant silicone, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Compact, flexible, and perfect for pasta, veggies, fruits, even salads. A small tool that makes your kitchen life so much easier.